Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will see what is Python and what Python people are saying about the Python application programming and many more things. In the banner, they are saying that Python is powerful and fast, plays well with others, runs everywhere, is friendly and easy to learn, is open. See, these are the futures. These are some of the reasons why the people who are using Python would rather than any other languages. And comes down getting started. It's a very easy to pick up whether you are a first time programmer or you are experienced with any other languages. The following pages are very useful to get in with the start you on with the Python programming. And friendly and easy to learn. The community hosts conferences and meetups and collaboratives on code and much more on Python documents as well. With these, they are saying that very easy to understand and very easy to learn that particular language. With this, the applications, the Python package index PyPE hosts thousands of third-party modules for Python. Both Python standard library and the community contributed modules allow for endless possibilities. There is a no end. They are telling that there is a no endless. That much of possibilities are there. The few of the examples have given: web development, internet development, database access, desktop GUIs, scientific and numeric, education, network programming, software and game developments, and many more. This is here saying that open source. Python is developed under an OSI approved open source license, making it freely usable and distributable. Even for commercial use, Python's license is administered by the Python Software Foundation. For any requirements of the Python, you can go there and buy it. Hence, nowadays, this is the very high level of language which is introducing for many of the peoples. Now, see, YouTube or taken a largest enterprise applications like YouTube, Gmail, and Yahoo, and NASA. Many of the biggest applications they have written in Python language, and many of the modules. The things they are saying that it's in a very uh, powerful and fast well execution and runs everywhere. What require more than that? And many of the job opportunities are going on nowadays, and it's a good opportunity to learn Python language. It's nowadays with the comparison of any other languages. Think about it and go with that. Many documents are there, examples are there, and the documentation which is given here is the documentation also. It's a beginner guides are there. You go with that, and freshly if you are chosen as a career as a Python language to learning, it's the best opportunity. If you are already experienced with the other languages, you can also try to learn. It's very easy and quick start with the Python language. It's a ample of opportunities are there in upcoming days. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like and comment for more updates on Python. Thank you.